out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping best concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least that's what my mom says, proof is in the progress. Money's not an object, busy than a motherfucker. You know how my job get, barking up the wrong tree. You know how the dogs get, haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are rare, the petty is rare. I chose my ex for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, Belinda Felicia. She gave it me twice, I didn't even know for her once. You know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go live with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I started confessing my sins, he wouldn't believe us. Sins, I got sins on my mind and some bills. Got a lot of L's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love. I'm in love with two girls at one time and they tens. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should repent. I need me some Jesus in my life. Amen.
From the floor, but I love me a Christian. He on my dick and shit, my secret. Tryna dish me, blow up my peeping. I can't respond with just do what you people. If I left some rats on the bed, you can keep it. This shit getting deeper and deeper. I dig in my shovel won't be, and I would go ahead and fix it. A shark in the water, you swim with the love it. I hit the day by tomorrow, she miss it. I grab her neck, she look good, then I kiss it. I'm not a goon, but I fit the description. I like the post, so I get the prescription. We walk around with them bands, and I bitch it. This gun ain't gon' chill, when I blow, I ain't missing. I'm dropping hit after hit, I'm just chillin'. But I send the hill, I chill with my children. The bigger the business, the bigger the office. I fuck around and found me a strand, and I thought up, they talking my artists, they making me an office. I don't even bargain, I start from the bottom. I lost a Ferrari, Las Vegas, Nevada. I woke up the following day and went harder. I'm cracking my shit, now they see that I'm smarter. I gotta get money, I love to get charter. I gave with 4 burgers and 1 small startup. I can't let them down, walk around with my Carter. I'm screaming out YOLO, yeah, that's still the motto. I know I be on some shit that they ain't thought of.
Sins, I got sins on my mind and some M's.
Let's play a little just between you and me. I'll be gotta use your mind. We can be constant robbers, Tarzan and Jane, Marilyn and Robert. But either way, the objective is the same: to please and entertain. Baby, my vixen, my better be a stain. We'll get the spotlight all night. Check every time you play. You will be my vixen as we improvise.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Domthetastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Sterlyhair, and today I'm reviewing this gorgeous 30-inch unit from them. This is a beautiful, I believe, deep wave texture, and you guys, this is a 13x6 lace front unit. The first thing about this unit that I really enjoyed was the lace. The lace was actually so perfect on this unit, and because of that, I didn't really add as much baby hairs as I normally would with a curly unit. You know, typically when I have a unit like this, I would add like a bunch of baby hairs, do like the curly ones, but today I have more of a natural type of vibe, and I do have some baby hairs, but they're just like here on the side. It's very minimal. It's just like one little swoop here, one little swoop there. I just really like how natural the hairline looks. As far as customizing goes, I did customize this unit. I did bleach the knots on this unit, and I also plucked this unit as well, just to give it a more flawless install. I did also put some concealer in the part, just so you guys can see that 13x6 part, because when I say 13x6, I mean 13x6. Like, it can actually keep going. You see? All the way to back here. And that's with these little pieces. But I will say, even though this is a 13x6 lace front unit, you don't get the full 6-inch all the way across. Majority of that parting space is going to be in the center, and then on the sides it does get a little bit shorter, but it's not too short on the sides. And then while we're up close, I might as well show you guys an up close look at the hairline. Bleached the knots, just did a simple install, nothing too crazy. You see the little swoops right here, but it's still giving regular, because if you like cover that part up, it's like no baby hair at all. But if the wind blows back, you have just a little something. Same thing on this side. But y'all see that hairline, how natural that looks. Now there is like a slight line of demarcation, and that's just because of my makeup or whatever, but other than that, I actually really like how this turned out. Another up close look at the parting space. You definitely get away with doing a lot more hairstyles. When I say a lot more, I mean a whole lot more, because you know, typically when you have a lot of these closure units, you feel like typically when you have units like this that have like majority of parting, typically when you have a lot of lace fronts these days, they don't really give you that much room to work with. It is a very deep parting space, so you can do 2 ponytails, you can do a single ponytail, you can do braids, you can do all type of really fun creative hairstyles with this, and that's something that I really do enjoy about this unit. So if you're someone that likes to get a little bit more creative with your looks, you're really gonna like this one. Another thing that I do want to point out is that this is a 30-inch unit, you guys. This unit is perfect. I cannot stress that enough. When I'm like reviewing these curly units, I'm like, look, this is the one you need for your vacation. No, seriously, because I feel like this texture is just so beautiful. Like, I feel like if you wear this hair, people are definitely gonna ask you, where'd you get your hair from? The hair is so beautiful, and it not only has an amazing lace, but it also has a really great fit to it as well. But I like to, you know, talk about what works for smaller heads, because I do have a smaller head, so a lot of times there's like a lot of extra like space back here, and I just can't stand that. But I like the fact that like there's no extra space back there. It just fits really snug, and like I said, the lace melted like just so good. And I do like the fact that even though I customized this unit, I washed the hair, I let it air dry, it still held up like the pattern and the curls. I still like how the curl pattern held up, because a lot of times when it comes to like curlier units, a lot of people tend to like brush their curls out, and when you do that, it really like messes up the curl pattern. And I'm not saying like not to brush your curls out like when you're washing the hair. I'm talking about like after the fact. So once your hair is like dry, like in this kind of state, a lot of people tend to like brush it out, then wet it, you know what I mean? And I feel like the problem with that is that you kind of like you kind of mess up the curl pattern. Like with me, after I finish washing the units, I just literally hang dry my units, so that way they dry naturally and I don't have to worry about like tampering with the curls. And that's why my curls always look like so perfect, almost like straight out of the bag perfect. That's definitely how you do it. So this is a 30-inch unit, so I am gonna go ahead and do my good old 360 so you guys can see where this unit is hitting on me. And keep in mind, when they tell you how long a unit is, they typically go off of the stretch length, meaning like how far you stretch the hair down. So I am gonna do that so I can show you guys exactly where this unit is hitting on me. And for reference, I am 5'2". If I step back here, you guys can definitely see where this unit is hitting on me. Absolutely love it. In the back, this is where it hits me in the back, and this is without pulling it or anything. This is just regular. Okay. I'm gonna pull it so you guys can see the stretch length. I don't know if I can see that. Yeah. Show you guys the stretch length in the front because I didn't do that. So you guys can kind of see. But yeah, if you guys are looking for a good unit this summer, this is definitely going to be one of those ones. Definitely, I highly recommend this one. It's really good quality hair, and Sterlyhair isn't a company that a lot of people know about, so I love working with companies like that because I feel like we typically go just for like the same companies all the time, but there's like so many good like hidden gems out there, and Sterlyhair is definitely one of them. They always really send me really good units. Like if you go on my channel and look like some of the other reviews that I've done for them, I've done a lot of really great reviews for them. So absolutely love Sterlyhair. I think they are an amazing company. They have great customer service, and they have a variety of different units on their website. So if this is not of interest to you, you can definitely check out some of their other units, and always make sure you guys use the coupons in the description box so you guys can save yourself some money. Don't ever pay full price for anything. Okay, that's my motto. Yeah, so with that being said, I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Sterlyhair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this gorgeous unit. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.